about to get blasted. Start over. We're ready to get some paint on this thing here.
We're glad you stopped by to watch our video. If this is your first time to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn those post notifications on, and that way you won't miss anything new when it comes out. Welcome back to the channel. It is a brand new day here with this 2012 Toyota Tacoma Extreme Off-Road. In the last video, you saw me and JP tear this truck all apart. We got everything ready. We put a bunch of primer on the hood, on the roof, on both the A-pillars, a couple of spots on the fenders. We did expose the hidden damage that we found. But you know what? It's no problem for us because we're ready today. We're feeling really good. We want to get this thing sanded down like some 400. We're going to hit it with some 400. We're going to get it super smooth. We're going to get it in the booth. We're going to get it all taped up. JP has already found the magic formula. If you watched the last video, you saw the absolute monster 10 color mix that JP made to match this color. So you know what? That's enough talking. So let's start working. Alrighty guys, man, we have been going like crazy. We got here at 6:30 this morning and we jumped on this thing. Actually, let me take that back. JP got here at 6:30 this morning. Thumbs up. I got here at 10 to 7, but we've been working on this thing like crazy. We come up here, we've been sanding, scuffing, cleaning, prepping, getting ready to paint this thing today. JP has mixed up the magical color. It's gonna match flawlessly. Then he got everything taped up. We got everything cleaned up. I gotta run out there real quick and just tack it all down. But let me tell you, at the end of this day today, we're gonna have a red truck. I guarantee you, it's gonna be red. It's gonna match. JP guarantees it. He guarantees it to match, or else we get our money back. And can't beat that, right? The money. Alrighty, man, check this out. Check this beautiful truck out. Gosh, she is beautiful in the Barcelona Red. I know it seems like just a couple of weeks ago we had another Barcelona Red truck, and we did. But this one is our flip truck, and this is the one that we did tell you in the last video how much we gave for it. And I think in the next video, if y'all want to know, I will break down the parts that we bought for this truck. I'll let you know how much we got in it 100%. I mean, we're going to sell it. Obviously, we're going to sell it because we want to buy something else for the channel to keep the channel going. And, you know, we're not going to make that much on it. But if we can sell it for a little bit, we'll buy something else. It's going to be amazing. We had a lot of fun today. I can't wait to get this truck out in the sunlight to see how JP did matching up the color. I'm sure he did fine. I can tell you that that's a hard mix. There was 10 colors and 3 different pearls. But you know what? If not, we'll blend the doors. I think that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Go ahead and drop us a like. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.